In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your InfinityFree account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is open up a web browser, go to your dashboard inside of InfinityFree, make sure to sign in. Now from here, we want to make sure we're on the hosting accounts. So click onto hosting account. Then I want to choose that website or account I like to delete. So this one here for this example. Now once I click into it, I want to scroll down a little bit. We want to click onto account settings tab. Now once we're inside the account settings, this is where the magic happens. So if we go ahead and scroll down, we've got the option to deactivate your account. So this is going to temporarily disable your hosting account. Your data will be preserved but inaccessible. You can retrieve your account at any time to restore access. After 20 to 6 days without reactivation, your account will be permanently deleted. So do keep that in mind before you do it. And then basically you want to go ahead and click on deactivate account and then click it again, and then that's going to go ahead and delete your account.